We are at the preliminary stages of our investigations and can confirm that about 7:30 p.m. yesterday, a motor vehicle with gunmen drove into the 3rd Street area of Rima, where they opened gunfire at citizens who were along the roadway. This shooting resulted in some 7 persons, including a 10-year-old child, being shot and injured. They were rushed to the Kingston Public Hospital, where 2 of the 7 succumbed to their injuries, whilst the others were treated and admitted. We have theorized that this incident is a continuation of a gang conflict between rival gangs from the Buckers and Fatherless gangs, which are based in Trenchtown area of Rima. And we believe that this was carried out by members of the Fatherless gang in reprisal for the murder of a top-tier Fatherless gang member who was shot and killed this year, August of this year. We are at this time trying to locate Pepe, Shamar, Jojo. These persons, we believe, can assist the MID in our investigations. In the meantime, I want to reassure the citizens of Rima that we will intensify our efforts and use all necessary means to locate these gangsters and all others who are involved in this conflict. We are at the same time appealing to persons who might have information to share with the police.